1. Yes, did you get that? 1.
2.
Wait, where? I'm not. Oh, there she is.
1.
Radata.
Rhonda. The ball. Ah, the ball. Tick, tick. The ball. The ball.
Do you see yourself?
What's that? What's that?
Oh.
Ball. Yeah, ball. Ball.
Oh.
Ball. Radha, do you want to do yoga?
Oops.
You want to do yoga? Wait. You want to do yoga?
Ball.
Ball, yeah. What about yoga? Show me yoga.
No.
No? Okay.
Ball.
Ball, yeah. You want to do yoga?
No.
No. Who's that? Who's that?
Me.
Yeah.
She knows. She's so smart.
Up.
Huh? Okay.
Up.
Oh, and you want to come up? If we let Owen up, we can't ever show Sandra in
Yeah.
this video.
Radha, who's that? Who's that?
Baby.
The baby? That's where she gets her sense of power. She can hold the ball and see it wishes. Uh-oh.
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 Ball.
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 Up.
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 Okay, here we go.
Hurry. Cut.
Radha, who's that? Who's that?
Cut.
What's that? Okay, what's this?
Me. Up. Baby.
Okay, what if you take this? See this? Take this. Now put it, look in there. You're holding this. See? Oh, this thing? Okay. What happens? You see it in there? I see, yeah. What else? What else are we putting in the picture? We'll put that in the picture?
Can you wave? You want to wave hello? Yeah.
And this? What else are you going to put in the picture? Keep going. Where are you going, Roma? Want to bring the shovel here? Have you lost interest? She thinks it's a big spoon. No, that's what she drinks. Is what she eats. Look, 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 look.
Are you as cute as you think you are?
Say nobody's that cute.
Are you as cute as you think you are?
Right.
It's a little hard to follow without like a viewfinder.
Okay, where are you going? Here we go, we're moving it further. Oh,
Like her daddy.
oh.
Hi, Owen. Hi, Owen. You want to come up? Here. Move aside, Grandma.
Yeah, Grandma's
Come here.
Owen. Yes.
Oh, and we don't spend enough time together. And there you go.
Here.
Up.
Hey, you want to take the baby over there?
No.
No?
No.
She's not real crazy about this baby. I don't blame you. No, no.
Nope. Nope. And no. Stop it. Let it go. Drop it.
You
Well,
want some, huh?
that clearly doesn't work anymore.
Okay.
It used to work.
It used to. Here. Here.
Video evidence of my failure to discipline. What is that?
It's her little crackers. They're super puffs, fruit and veggie grain puffs, spinach and apple.
Ugh.
It's
You have to
not-
tell me if
It's showing her. Okay. Here's this.
do something impressive.
Wait, here's a cracker.
Want to cure cancer?
See there? See? Okay, look over there. You're eating. See?
She's like too much paparazzi for the day.
Want some more of these? Okay. Here, don't eat the bananas that I cut up for you.
Ra-da-da-da-da-da.
Let's see.
Go.
Total fat
That's
cereal.
the bingo.
Sodium 0, potassium 100 milligrams, carbohydrates 6.
Really? This is for our video? I mean, I hate to say it's probably only interesting to us at this point anyway, but you've now actually made it not so much interesting to me.
I want you to see even when the kid eats crackers.
Yes. Everything healthy.
Hold on. Hold on. Let me see what you think. Hold on.
Should have videotaped her when she was slurping down my wine pasta.
Okay. Ready? Here. See this? Oh, not you, Owen. Where'd Veronica?
She's behind you.
Here.
Owen. Mmm. Yay! Yay! Give yourself a round of applause.
Who's there?
Hi. Mm. Okay.